See, this is the difference between structure and union. In structure allocates storage space for all members.
सर वॉइस इको होते.
Okay. Structure allocates storage space for all members separately. Union allocates one common storage space for all its members. Union finds which its member need high storage space or other members and allocates that much space. Structure occupies higher memory space. Union occupies lower memory space over structure. Then we can access all members of structure at a time. We can access all structure members at a time. Here in union, we can access only one member at a time. See in this program. Here we have written all members. We are trying to access all members at a time, but see in this output, it is not possible. Enter the book details are ABC, price 1.2 and pages are 5. The enter details are name is not given. Then price is wrong price is given as output, but pages are given. So it will give output at a time, one output at a time. It will we will access one member at a time, not all members. In union, in case of structure, we can access number of members at a time. Then this is the structure format. Struct student. In case of student, struct student, integer marks, character name, then average. In case of union student, integer marks, character name, and average. Format of both is same. In structure, we have used the keyword struct. In union, we have used the keyword union. Then in this structure, above example, structure memory allocates will be like this. For integer 2 byte, for character 6 byte, because here array size is 6, and for double have memory byte 8 byte. So total 2 plus 6 plus 8, 16 byte. But in case of union, your highest memory for double, that is 8 byte, then it allocates only 8 bytes to all members. Okay, we'll see the memory difference between structure and union. We'll write a program. Suppose here we are going to write a program on structure size and union size. Suppose union book, it can be written as suppose u book for union. Okay, then here written ub variable for union book. Suppose here written code as struct suppose yes book for structure book. Then same data, character name 20, float price, integer pages. Here instead of union, write struct instead of UB here SB. Okay, we should have to find the memory size of structure and union. So printf /n size of union is equal to percentage d bytes and here variable a size of ub for union variable. Then for a structure, here we write size of structure is equal to percentage d bytes. Here size of structure SB variable. Okay, we will execute this. Okay, UB then SB. Okay, see size of union is 20 bytes. Size of structure is 26 bytes. So 20 in case of union we have taken character 20. Here character in case of union character is 20. So float have 4 bytes, integer have 2 bytes. So here higher data type is character, so allocated memory size is only 20. But in case of structure C, this 20 plus 4 plus 2, that is 26. See here program plus output. Is there any query regarding this? In case of union, only one member can be accessed, but in case of structure, we can access all members because in structure, memory is allocated separately to all members, and in case of union, memory is commonly allocated to all members as per requirement of the data type. Okay, समजलंय? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? हॅलो, आवाज ऐकू येतोय?
येस सर.
समजलाय पार्ट हा?
येस सर.
का समजलाच नाहीये? हो का? सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर काढून बघूया. ट्रक. Okay, truck, suppose yes, book, then character name, suppose size is here 20, then float price, integer, pages. Okay, here declare the structure. And memory allocation suppose starts from here. First is suppose starts from 1000. First is character. Character have 1 byte for each character. Here 20 characters are required. So 20 characters is allocated. So end sound 10, 20. Here name. Then float requires 4 byte. So for 4 byte here price, that is 1024, and 2 byte for integer. So for pages 1024 to 1026. This is the memory allocation for structure. And in case of union, suppose union yes book or u book, then you are written same data types, character, name 20, then float, price, then integer, pages. Okay, memory allocation, see here 20 bytes for character, then 4 bytes for float and 2 bytes for integer. It will check which data type require higher or more memory space. So here character. So suppose memory space starts from here 1000. So hello, may I audible?
Yes, sir.
See both structure format and union format. In structure format, character require 1 byte, but here array size is 20. So here taken 20 byte for character. So float requires 4 byte, integer requires 2 byte. So in structure here below as shown in table, suppose memory address starts from 1000. So character requires 20 bytes, float requires 4 byte, and pages requires 2 bytes. Totally 26 byte memory is required for structure. Whereas in case of union first search which data type require more memory, and in this case character require more memory than float and integer. So it allocates that much memory to the whole union. That is here 20 byte is required for character. So 20 byte is allocated to whole union, and the same memory locations allocated as character, float, and integer. In case of structure, all members we can access at a time, whereas in case of union, only one member can access at a time. Okay, are you getting? समझ हॅलो, आवाज ऐकू येतोय?
Yes, sir.
समजतंय? There is a difference between structure and union, but format of both union and structure have same, but there is a difference between in memory management and accessing of elements. Okay, समझलंय? हॅलो, का समजलेलं नाहीये? Anybody?
समजलं सर.
समजलेलं आहे? Okay, we stop here.